Hello everyone, welcome back to my Linux command series. Myself Arnab Kundu, you are watching my channel Technical Arquin. In this video, I will start cell programming and I will discuss two simple examples. One is even or odd number program and number two, a calculator program with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, and here I will run all these cell programs inside Ubuntu on WSL. WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Step by step, I will discuss today's topic elaborately. So let's get started. Hello friends, today I will discuss cell programming, okay, and I will run this cell script inside Ubuntu on WSL. WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux, and I will discuss two simple examples. One is the odd or even number program and other is a calculator program with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so I'm just within the Ubuntu terminal on WSL, right? And here at first I will open the VI editor. After that I will write the two different problems separately. Okay, the first problem is that even or odd number program and second one basic calculator program with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? So to open the VI editor, just write the command VI, and suppose the first program is concerned, put the name even underscore odd dot sh. Should remember, for cell programming is concerned, the file extension should be .sh. Okay, and press enter. So just open the VI editor. So now we go for the input mode, just press I. So now I just type the program here for the first program is concerned. Okay, so just put a comment, just write in that way, even or odd number. Okay, and then what happened, we should take the input. So at first we put the in console interactive way, should write in that way, echo enter a number, put a colon, double quotient, and then we read the number. Okay, so just write read and then suppose put a variable name num. Okay, and then we check the number is divisible by 2 or not. If the remainder is 0 after divisible by 2 means is an even number, otherwise is an odd number. So we check a condition. So just write if within square bracket, just write in that way dollar, two first bracket open, and then just write num %2 double first bracket close, and checked in that way equal, that's why you used hyphen eq to 0, and then close this square bracket. Then just write then, and then write the statement. So just write echo, and within double quote just write even number, double quotient, and now for else. So if it is not even, so it should be odd. So just write echo within double quote odd number, double quotient, end this if, so just write 5. Okay, we just complete the program. For the first problem is concerned, find out the number is even or odd using cell script, right? So you just press the escape button. Why? Just go to the last line mode, and to save and exit from this particular VI editor, just press colon WQ and press enter. So again we go to the terminal and now we run the program. So to run the cell script, we use the command sh and put the file name even underscore odd dot sh and press enter. So enter a number. Suppose we put the number 45. So it's odd number. Again run the code, means again execute this cell script. Enter number, suppose put 3, again is an odd number, again run, suppose put 100, even number. I hope you have understood the first problem, how to find out a number even or odd using cell script. Okay, now go for the second problem. The second problem is the basic calculator with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so in that case we open the VI editor with the different name of the file. So just write VI and suppose put the file name cal.sh. Same way cell script extension should be .sh. Press enter. Again it open the VI editor. Just go to the input mode, press small I. Okay, and then we write the code. So at first we put the comment, just write calculator program, and then we take the input at first. At first we take the two numbers as input, and then we go for our choice, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, whatever, then it will give the result. Okay, so at first we write in that way echo enter first number, put a colon, double quotient. Same way read a, suppose put the variable name is a. Second number is concerned, same way echo enter second number, put a colon, double quotient, and just write here read b, second variable. Okay, now we go for our choice. So in that case we just write again echo choose operation, put a colon, double quotient, and now we put the choice here. At first we put echo 1 for addition, echo 2 for subtraction, echo 3 for multiplication, echo 4 for division. Okay, simple, this choice is given. Okay, and now we read the choice. So just write read ch. For example, the variable name is ch. Okay, now I use the case statement. So first we write case and just write dollar, and then we just write ch in. Okay, and now we put the all the possible options. So first option is 1 for input is concerned, then we do the addition, right? So just write in that way echo within double quote result equal dollar first bracket open a plus b, two first bracket open, a plus b, two first bracket close, then put as a break 2 semicolon, right? Now the second choice, same way echo result equal dollar double first bracket open a minus b, double first bracket close, double semicolon. Both case should be close this double quote. Okay, now the third choice echo result equal dollar first bracket open, two first bracket open, a asterisk b. Okay, then two first bracket close, double quotient, double semicolon. Okay, and here we put a single semicolon, should be double. Okay, now the fourth choice is the last choice echo, and we put the result R is capital here. Okay, result equal, again open after dollar, then again open two first bracket, a divided b, double first bracket close, double quotient, double semicolon close for the break is concerned. So now end of this case, so we just write in that way ESAC, so end of case is defined there. So we complete our program. Now we just go to the last line mode, press escape, then press colon WQ for save and quit from this VI editor, press enter. Now we run the code. So file name is cal.sh, so just same way sh space cal.sh, press enter. Enter a number, suppose 23, enter second number, suppose 30, enter your means choose operations now. So at first suppose addition, so choose 1, press enter. So result is 53. Yes, 23 plus 30 is a 53. Okay, now again if we run this code, so we cleared the screen at first and just run this code. First number suppose 100, second number suppose 3. Suppose we choose the operation is multiplication, so 3, the option is there, so result is 300. Again run, so first number is 6, second number 3, and go for division, so it's a 4, result is 2. And the last operation is that for the choice is concerned, first number is 20, second number is 4, and suppose choose for the subtraction, the option is 2, result is 16. I hope you have understood how to write the cell script inside Ubuntu on WSL. Actually, cell programming is commonly known as cell script. I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcade for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.